Dear student, the topic is the role of women in sericulture, and it's a very important topic because in Jammu and Kashmir, especially in Jammu and Kashmir, we are having great potential of sericulture, especially because the temperature, the humidity required for the silkworm rearing and for the plantation is suitable. And sericulture has emerged as the most important cash crop with minimum investment, low gestation period, high employment potential, and highly remunerative returns. Sericulture is labor-based industry in all its phases. It can generate employment up to 11% for every kilogram of raw silk produced, out of which more than 6% are women. It is estimated that India is the home to 12.7 crore working women, and 90% of them are working in the unorganized sector. In India, the female comprise 48.18% of the total population. In sericulture sector, women form major working power because we don't need some technical knowledge. We just know how to rear the silkworm and which month is suitable for the rearing, and what kind of mulberry leaves are required for feeding the young silkworm. Sericulture, being one of the most important cottage industry, can provide employment for the Indian women. Sericulture is really a village based industry that provides employment to both skilled and unskilled labor, women, and aged person at home at minimum risk. Women are engaged about 60% work in various sectors in sericulture. Women are mostly favored because of their industrious nature. They are engaged in mulberry garden, rearing, and grainage activities. Women play a key role in sericulture industry. In India, women are mostly found as the major activists in sericulture. Presently, about 60% of total working force contributing in sericulture as worker in raising food plants, leaf collection, silkworm rearing, reeling, spinning, and weaving is women. So they are playing great role in sericulture industry. It is a labor intensive agro industry and can provide livelihood support to the unemployed rural women. It is the best occupation for women in the changing scenario of their family income, because it is the most important points to remember that we need some more income to feed our young ones, to give them quality education. So this is most important that we develop some alternate employment, and women play a major role. Women are playing their important role in silkworm rearing, silk reeling, and processing activities. Participation of women in mulberry cultivation. Activity under mulberry cultivation includes plugging, leveling, weeding, FYM application, harvesting of leaves, which are done by female with full efficiency also. Participation in silkworm rearing. It includes activities like silkworm rearing, young and late age rearing, feeding, bed cleaning, and harvesting of cocoons. It is not uncommon to find women folks helping men in feeding and bed cleaning of women's. When silkworm are matured and time is for spinning the cocoons, women are seen picking worms and placing them on mountages for spinning of cocoons very patiently, because it requires some time and patience also. In post cocoon technology, the involvement of the women is greater, commencing from silk reeling, weaving, and garment manufacturing industry. Under the National Sericulture Project, they opened some plan for women like special training program for women, allotment of land in the name of women who are interested. These programs under implementation for raising the active participation of women in sericulture. So, in short, women are having great potential to develop some alternate employment, especially in those areas where the temperature and humidity is suitable for the silkworm rearing and for the plantation of mulberry. Thank you.